Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Noval. I'm from Raja Ali Haji Maritim University, majoring in Indonesian language and literature education. I'm from class N1 PBSI. Okay, I will give material about the Indonesian language and literature education. What's a Indonesian language and literary major? The Indonesian language and literature education educated and produced Indonesian language and literary scholar ready to become Indonesian junior and high school teachers, Indonesian teachers for foreign speakers, researchers, practitioners, and writer or editor of the Indonesian language and literature field. You will study Indonesian literature, language, and culture in comprehensive terms. During in university, you will be studying a lot of linguistic syntax, literature, and so on. Not only smart in linguistic development. Graduate this course can also analyze Indonesian language and literature well. They can fluently apply many Indonesian literary theories in daily practice, both oral and written. The lesson of this major is also quite diverse, not only focusing on Indonesian. This major also teaches you about cultural research, pattern and dynamics of the Indonesian nation, as well as philosophy and modern thoughts of the nation. The degree that was later obtained by his graduate was undergraduate education SPD. Why the Indonesian language and literary education major? Lecturing in the major of Indonesian language and literature education will expand your insight. You will learn various skills of language, starting from writing, reading, listening, and teaching it. Lectures in this major also indirectly you have participated in maintaining Indonesian language and literature. In addition, the prospect of work is quite extensive. The main opportunity to become academics at the level of elementary, junior high, high school. Besides that, you are also taught to become an Indonesian language teacher abroad through Indonesian language program for foreign speakers designed by the Language Agency. Indonesian language and literary education expertise, capability of time, detail, and diligence, interpersonal ability, the ability to work in teams, problem-solving ability, critical thinking ability, communication skill. Graduates of major Indonesian language and literature education in the world. Academics. The first employment opportunities for the major of Indonesian language and literature education are becoming an Indonesian teacher. For those of you who like to teach and share knowledge, then this profession is perfect for you. If you want to be a lecturer, you must have a master's degree or S2. The author of the novel or literary short story. The next job opportunity that can be done by this graduate is to become a novelist or literary poetry. Language translator. Translators usually refer to the writing translator. This profession translates various kinds of literary books, business documents, academic materials, and film from Indonesian short language. Journalist. Job opportunities that you can also do as a graduate are a journalist. His job writing, analysis, and report, and even to the public mass media. Writers of film scripts. Creating routes to make a summary of stories or synopsis. Creating and writing the basis in the form of scenarios or story ideas. Copywriter. Writing text that has the purpose of promoting or also marketing existing product and service from client or companies at work. Printing entrepreneurs. For you Indonesian literary graduates but have a passion of business, then you can pursue this work as a printing entrepreneur with this professional income that can reach tens of millions of rupiah. Lectures and Indonesian language and literature course major. The study in this major is a field that teach Indonesian language skills properly and effectively, such as listening skill, speaking, reading, and writing will also be the right way to teach it. In addition, you will also study morphology, phonology, semantics, syntax, and so on. Do not miss literal material ranging from appreciation to the assessment of works. You will also review the language, literature, and culture in depth so that the graduate of this major will master the theoretical concept of Indonesian language and teachability. Mastering the basic knowledge to be creative in the field of language and master the basis of the Indonesian language research method. Do not miss the material about poetry, prose, novels, drama, and other literary works also studied. The prospect of work for the Indonesian language and literature major. Teaching power, a major career opportunity for Indonesian education graduates is to become Indonesian teacher. Government agency, not only in private agency, you can also apply to be a civil servant. The most relevant governmental agency for Indonesian language and literature graduate are the Minister of Home Affairs or Foreign Minister. Journalists working in both the printing and electronic mass media promising prospect for Indonesian language and literature education graduates. With language skill, you can work in mass media as reporter, editor, writer, and journalist for writing articles. Copywriter Indonesian graduate studies may also work in advertising as a copywriter. It is to write an ad for the company which will eventually be broadcast on media, whether it be print media, television, online, or radio. Content writer, literature graduate likely to be a content writer, filling up this website with writing or interesting contents. Research Institute. Indonesian language and literature education graduate may join research, survey societies, or even join companies and development. Lexicographer. Lexicographer has been understanding and works technically to develop dictionaries. Public relation. The public relations serve to plan, direct, or coordinate activities designed to create or maintain a good public image or enhance awareness. Interpreter. The interpreter is responsible for interpreting language both orally and directly without writing them, so that an interpreter must concentrate high on translating those who speak. Interpreter is often used at meeting between word countries of different language. Translator. Indonesian language and literature graduates may also apply for work as translator on the publishing companies to translate book, magazine, and comics. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.